subscriber. Sagun Shrestha. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel if you're already a subscriber. If not, hello, I'm Sagun Shrestha and I post about this goes on and on. You know by the title what today's video is about. Yes, I'm going to show you 5 simple and easy hairstyles that you can do for summer, for work, for school, for college, for going out. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section down below. So let's get into the video.
Hairstyle number 1. First of all, part the hair from both sides and make a high ponytail from rest of your hair. Now take the small portion of your separated hair to the back of your ponytail. Twist the hair and secure it with a bobby pin. Now take the rest of your separated hair and secure it with a bobby pin. Hairstyle number 2. Now take a small portion of your hair and make a fishtail braid, only adding the hair from front of your head. After finishing one side, secure it with a rubber band. Now do the same on the other side as well. Now take the remaining hair and the 2 braids you've just made. Carefully remove the rubber bands and start a new braid using all your hair. Now loosen the hair to have a messy look. You can take some of your baby hair out if you like the messy look like I do. Hairstyle number 3. For this hairstyle, you can make a braid like as we did in number 2. Now you can just twist the braid and roll it in a bun. Secure it with rubber band or bobby pins. Take the baby hair out if you like and you're done. You can also add the hair accessories if you like. Hairstyle number 4. Separate the hair from both of your sides. Now twist both of your separated hair as I am doing in the video. You can then secure it with a bobby pin again. Now for the rest of your hair, make a low ponytail. Make a small hole and put your ponytail through the hole. You can also loosen the sides a bit. Hairstyle number 5. Separate just one side of your hair and make a ponytail from the rest of your hair. Now braid your ponytail. Roll your braided ponytail into a bun and secure it with a bobby pin or rubber band. Now for your separated hair, just simply take it to the back and secure it with a bobby pin again.
And that's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching to the end. If you like any of the hairstyles from today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and leave me a comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you all. See you.